Fine-tuning and deploying Mixtral 8x7b on Amazon SageMaker, a step-by-step guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to Amazon SageMaker and Mixtral 8x7b. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the ability to fine-tune and deploy powerful models is crucial for delivering cutting-edge solutions. Amazon SageMaker, AWS's fully managed machine learning service, provides the tools to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. This podcast will explore how to fine-tune and deploy the Mixtral 8x7b advanced AI model using Amazon SageMaker. We'll also walk through setting up your environment, preparing datasets, and deploying your fine-tuned model on RunPod and Hugging Face Hub. Overview of Amazon SageMaker and its capabilities. Amazon SageMaker simplifies the entire machine learning workflow, enabling data scientists and developers to train, fine-tune, and deploy models quickly. SageMaker supports various frameworks and tools, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face, making it a versatile platform for machine learning projects. With its robust infrastructure, SageMaker allows for scalable training and deployment, ensuring your models can handle real-world demands. Introducing Mixtral 8x7b, an advanced AI model. The Mixtral 8x7b model is a state-of-the-art AI model for complex tasks such as natural language understanding, generation, and other advanced AI applications. Known for its high performance and flexibility, Mixtral 8x7b can be fine-tuned for specific use cases, making it a powerful tool in the AI toolkit. This guide will show you how to harness its capabilities using Amazon SageMaker. Setting up the development environment. Before diving into fine-tuning the Mixtral 8x7b model, you'll need to set up your development environment. This involves installing necessary tools, configuring AWS CLI, and ensuring all dependencies are met. Prerequisites and dependencies. To get started, you'll need the following: an AWS account with access to Amazon SageMaker, AWS CLI installed and configured, Python environment set up with necessary libraries such as Boto3, SageMaker, and transformers, access to the DALI dataset for fine-tuning, authentication and authorization with AWS CLI. Ensure your AWS CLI is correctly configured with the necessary permissions to interact with Amazon SageMaker. You can authenticate your CLI by running AWS Configure. You must input your AWS Access Key ID, Secret Access Key, default region, and output format. Preparing the dataset for fine-tuning. Fine-tuning a model like Mixtral 8x7b requires a well-prepared dataset. This section will focus on selecting and preparing the DALI dataset, a popular dataset for natural language processing tasks. Dataset selection, the DALI dataset. The DALI dataset is a rich resource for training and fine-tuning language models. It contains various conversational data that can enhance Mixtral 8x7b's capabilities. Formatting data for model input. To fine-tune the Mixtral 8x7b model, you'll need to format the DALI dataset into a structure the model can process. This typically involves converting the dataset into a JSON or CSV format, with each entry containing the input and corresponding output pairs. Fine-tuning Mixtral 8x7b with Clora on SageMaker. Once your dataset is ready, it's time to fine-tune the Mixtral 8x7b model using Clora, quantized low-rank adaptation. This technique optimizes the fine-tuning process by reducing the computational load. Understanding Clora and its benefits. Clora is an advanced technique that efficiently fine-tune large models like Mixtral 8x7b by leveraging quantization and low-rank adaptation. This approach speeds up the fine-tuning process and reduces resource consumption, making it ideal for large-scale deployments. Configuring and running the fine-tuning job. To fine-tune Mixtral 8x7b on SageMaker, you must configure a training job with the appropriate hyperparameters and resources. Here's an example of how to set up the job. Import SageMaker. From SageMaker.HuggingFace import Hugging Face. Hash define the Hugging Face estimator. Hugging Face underscore estimator equals Hugging Face. Entry underscore point equals train.py. Source underscore dir equals /scripts. Role equals SageMaker role. Transformers underscore version equals 4.6. PyTorch underscore version equals 1.7. Pi underscore version equals Pi 3. Instance underscore type equals ml.p3.2s large. Instance underscore count equals 1. Hyperparameters equals model underscore name underscore or underscore path, Mixtral 8x7b. Dataset underscore name, Dolly. Do underscore train, true. Per underscore device underscore train underscore batch underscore size, 8. Learning underscore rate, 5e-5. Noom underscore train underscore epochs, 3. Hash start the training job. Hugging face underscore estimator dot fit. Deploying the fine-tuned model on RunPod. After fine-tuning the model, the next step is deployment. RunPod offers a cost-effective and scalable solution for deploying machine learning models. Setting up RunPod for deployment. Begin by setting up a RunPod environment, ensuring you have the necessary resources allocated for deployment. RunPod provides a flexible infrastructure that can handle the demands of the Mixtral 8x7b model. Loading and using the fine-tuned model. Once your environment is ready, you can load the fine-tuned model and start serving predictions. This involves loading the model weights and configuring the inference pipeline. Uploading the model to Hugging Face Hub. You can upload your fine-tuned model to the Hugging Face Hub, a popular platform for AI models, to share it with the community. Creating a repository on Hugging Face Hub. First, create a new repository on Hugging Face Hub to host your model. You can do this through the Hugging Face web interface or their Python API. Uploading and sharing the fine-tuned model. After creating the repository, upload your model files, including the weights, configuration, and tokenizer. Provide detailed documentation to help users understand how to use your model. From Hugging Face underscore hub import HF API. API equals HF API API.upload underscore file. Path underscore or underscore fileobj equals /model /mixtral 8x7b model.bin. Path underscore and underscore repo equals Mixtral 8x7b model.bin. Repo underscore id equals your username /Mixtral 8x7b. Repo underscore type equals model. Conclusion and future directions. Recap of the tutorial process. This podcast covered the entire process of fine-tuning and deploying the Mixtral 8x7b model using Amazon SageMaker. From setting up your environment to deploying the model on RunPod and sharing it on Hugging Face Hub, you now have a comprehensive understanding of the steps involved. Exploring further customizations and applications. The journey continues. Consider exploring further customizations, such as experimenting with different datasets or tweaking hyperparameters to optimize the model for specific tasks. Additionally, you can deploy the model in various environments, including edge devices, for broader applications. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.